How to delete Underdog Fantasy account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting the Underdog Fantasy account. So now let's get started. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and type in underdogfantasy.com in your search bar, hit enter, and this will take you to its official website where you have to log into your account or register or create a new account. So once you're done with that and you want to delete your account, I want you to know that there is no direct method to go ahead and delete your Underdog Fantasy account just in a click. So for that, you need to go ahead and find the Underdog Fantasy Legal Center. You can find this in your settings or account details or help center, or you can go ahead, open a new tab on your computer or laptop in your web browser. Simply search for Underdog Fantasy Legal Center, and this will take you to this kind of interface. From here, simply scroll all the way down, and there you will see the section of termination and suspension. And you can see the indication that if you wish to terminate your Underdog account, you may contact us at, and there is the official email address of Underdog. Simply go ahead and copy this email address. Now open your email, tap on compose in the top left corner of the screen, enter the email address Underdog Fantasy, which is support@underdogfantasy.com, and in subject write terminate or delete account. Simply type your email that you want to delete or terminate or suspend your Underdog Fantasy account, and simply go ahead and tap on send in the bottom left corner of the screen, and you'll be done. Underdog Fantasy Legal Center's official help desk will reach you within 24 to 48 hours and help you resolve your issue. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.